The first night it did rain, so I was really nervous because it was really coming down. It was really windy. It wasn't until the next morning when it was light when I went out and looked, but everything that had been torn off was re-roofed, so there was no tarps. I was pleasantly surprised. It only took 2 days, and they were right away there to clean up, make sure that the leftover materials were gone.
But they did a great job cleaning up.
In my experience, the roofs that I've had done in the past have taken longer than that. I went down to their offices on Lake Michigan Drive and got a chance to see the samples of different materials that they had. So they pointed me to a shingle that has stain guard. That was something that was important to us. I was very pleased with the selection that they had, and they were very informative regarding the different options that were out there. And one of the things that Renaissance did offer us was different warranty options that went beyond the materials, that did include labor in case there was an issue down the road.